Point of reason I am running for, as an independent. I won't be running as a party, and I'll never be a party. I'll always be independent. An independent voice has a lot more importance. 34% of people actually register themselves as no party preference, which is independent, but they don't have any voice because for the decades which I can see, every time there's a Democrat or Republican running, there's never an independent having a choice. If you see the data of last 2 years, which I have from my Sandeman database, in primaries, people who have no party preference, they only vote 23% of time. And in the regular election, it's 50%. So if we can get this 23% to vote 50% of time this time, in the primaries, all we have to do is educate people that vote in the primaries. So my key message to everyone is vote in primaries, look for your voice, because I do not think either party is doing justice to us. Both parties have failed us, at least from where I can see. And every time there was an issue in San Ramon, every time I send out email to everyone, I also send out email to all the assembly member, house representative and district supervisor, because they are all responsible to make sure that this has to be addressed. They should be aware what is happening. I do not get response. And like me, Greg Carr, Brian Swanson, and many of us have been writing, even speaking up at the podium, especially one of the most important points which I felt was Measure G, which was basically removed, and council passed this in the consent calendar, did not allow any discussion. That was really the worst thing to happen, because it was a voter approved measure. Again, the city attorney can say that it was not deleted, but when you see the fact, everything regarding it, minimum 3 council meetings and 3 planning commission meetings, so out of 6 meetings it was turned to just 1 meeting in both the places, as well as requirement of having a super majority, because when the main system changes, you have to have super majority, and that's where if the super majority is gone, then with the regular majority, a lot of things could be done, and that was the main idea behind Measure G. And Brian, you want to speak up a bit as well?
I mean, right? I mean, we're shut down. I mean, you're in a perfect role. I mean, we're shut down, and he's stepping up to fill that void. He's not playing party politics. He's telling it how it is, and he's focused on nuts and bolts.
The bad part of being with party is, one good part is you can get through the primaries, but the bad part is you can not say anything wrong about your party members, which is very hard for me to do. Because